Today my topic is the fountain. Into the sunshine full of the light, leaping and flashing from morn till night. Into the moonlight, whiter than snow, waving so flower like when the winds blow. Into the starlight, rushing in spray, happy and midnight, happy by day. Every in motion, blithesome and cheery, still climbing heavenward, never weary. Glad of all weathers, still seeming best, upward or downward, motion by the rest. Full of a nature, nothing can tame, changed every moment, ever the same. Ceaseless aspiring, ceaseless content, dark days are shining, sunshine, the element. Glorious fountain, let my heart be fresh, changeful, constant, upward like the thanks.